The tagline took me a while. Wish your laundry done, because I know everybody's wishing that their laundry would be done.
It came back to that, customer experience. What are you trying to provide? You're trying to provide something that is better than is out there.
It's like in the Disney world of laundromats, honestly.
Well, that's funny because we're a big Disney family, so maybe that was subconsciously in there somewhere, So next level event, the first one that we attended was an invite from Jeremy Hunt, which we had a relationship with. But we went to the next level event and we left that event going, wow, that was quite amazing. Just the energy efficiency of the machines compared to other lines really blew us away.
They are almost dry. It's very weird. It feels like if I would have put them in the dryer already for maybe 5 or 10 minutes.
And then they are able to get in and out in 45 minutes.
It's also a function of these, the Laundrylux line. It's just such incredible machines as far as, energy efficiency goes and water extraction that it allows your normal laundry, even compared to other laundromat commercial equipment, to get done that much quicker.
So dream investors to work with would be like Mike and Ursula. They've been fantastic to work with. They came into the laundry business just like a sponge, wanting to learn as much as they can about the industry. They've been to several Coin Laundry Association events. They came to several events that we hosted, and just sat there and absorbed all the information about this business, about this industry. Always tell investors, when you get into this laundromat business, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's one of those things that you're not gonna probably be able to find a location right away. And it's one that, like working with Mike and Ursula, we looked at several opportunities before we were able to find Laundrylux. So Laundrylux has been a fantastic business to work with. Obviously, it's a family-owned business with the Milch family. It's fantastic too, because my father and I get to work in this with the Laundrylux family. Been working with my dad for about 8 years, and it's been fantastic.
Absolutely, it sure has.
So we're here at our second store. We're under construction. We should be opening here in the next couple of weeks. We're really excited about serving the community and offering the new Laundrylux machines. So this will be definitely a differentiator in the market here.
Oh, I love the fact that there's most of them that we've worked on so far has been soft mounts. So, you don't have to fiddle-faddle with concrete, sweeping up after yourself, cleaning and drilling and all that stuff. You just set the machine in place, and as long as the floor is level and the machine levels out, it runs as smooth as possible. That's what I do like about the Laundrylux and the products.
We're standing here at Laundry Wish second location, a location that I presented to Mike and Ursula. And one of those things that we do a full soup to nuts approach on the laundromat business. So we helped identify this location for Mike and Ursula. I presented this opportunity to them and helped them with everything in the transaction. One of the things that we like to do is almost partner with our investors in the laundromat business.
It's a great family, which we obviously love. We're a family business here, mom and pop, Him and his dad have been doing this forever. There's so many laundromats in Houston that have their touch, but we really believed in Jeremy and Jack and the team that surrounds your equipment line as well. So important. We believe in that model. I think that don't discount your price. Provide a superior experience. And I think it's proven time and time again that those customers that are your customers will come back because they are happy with the value that you're providing, the price and what it comes with it. And that's what we experience here. It's, it is between the brand, the Laundry Wish, the customer service, her interaction with customers, to the equipment, and what it's providing.
Don't undersell what you're worth.
Yeah.